Good evening, everyone. I'm Source Error, and you want some blue raspberry soda, don't you? Well, you're in luck, because I'm about to show you how to make some. Now, you are going to need a carbonator, such as this one, like this Soda Stream. This blue raspberry starburst flavored thing, it's pretty good. Stay. Okay, and a cup. Now you are going to need this cup and a tiny amount of water in there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's like a tiny amount in there. And of course, your water, which is refrigerated and ready. It's cool and ready to fizz. But you're probably thinking right now, like, why don't we just fizz it right now? Like, and then we'll pour the Starburst thing in. No, you don't want to do that, because that's gonna end up agitating the fizzy water, and that's gonna end up causing it to lose its the bubbly. You want the bubbly to hit your throat hard. I just realized how that came out, but no. But yeah. So first off, you want to take a flavor packet of the blue raspberry starburst. Open it. Yep, this thing will open. And then you want to slowly pour it in there and mix it, like along with a tiny amount of water. There we go. And now, like once you complete it, there may be some residue like on the bottom of the cup, but that's fine. As long as it's not like big chunks of it, you should be good. Just kind of mixing this water in here. I don't want to create big chunks. Is that it? I think that's it. Okay. Let me go in and mix it. I feel like a witch right now crafted a potion. And you want to really get it in there and like really mix it. There's not too much residue on the bottom. Okay, so you can see right here, the blue raspberry like mix. I don't want to show it too much because I don't want. Okay, well, I had to clean that. That was, a little oopsie, little, funky wonky. A bit of a stinky gamer move. You go ahead and, open a new one. Now, like I said before, you want to pour it in slowly and, like, mix the water as it's, like, slowly going in. That way you try to dissolve most of the flavor particles as much as you can. There we go. That's looking beautiful. So you just want a nice little stream of flavor particles coming from the Starburst thing. Alright. This is completely empty. I'm trying to mix it as much as I can, like leaving minimal flavor particles below. Alrighty, so it's pretty mixed. Now I'm not gonna try to show the flavor mixture again to the camera because you know what happened. Anyways, yeah. So now that we got our flavor mixture right over here, now what we're gonna want to do is fizz time, baby. It's soda time. So now open your cold water, insert it. And now on the instructions it said that you can do like 3 for like sort of fizzy and like 5 for like pretty fizzy, but I usually try to do 6 or 7. Now and it adds that extra fizz, that extra kick, you could say. Alrighty. Cuatro, 5. Ooh. Now 6. Alrighty, so now that you have your carbonated water right here, just kind of take it out. Be careful with it. You don't want to agitate the fizz too much. And then you're gonna want to take your mixture. Get out the mixing straw. and then just slowly pour it on the side, on the lid area of the bottle. That way you know you don't agitate, because it is going to agitate the fizz. Oh, look at that! It's quite beautiful, isn't it? You're gonna slowly pour it in. There we go. That's as much as I get in there. And now I would recommend, you know, refrigerating this for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. That way, like, you give the time for the fizz to calm down. But you know, you can drink it right now if you want. But I'm just gonna refrigerate it for about 5-10 minutes. Alrighty, well, it's been about 5 minutes, so I can say that the drink is, you know, the fizz has calmed down. Alright, let's give it a. Let's see how it came out. Let's see how it came out. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if my microphone is catching it, but you know, you can hear the fizz just kind of. That is beautiful. Oh, well, wait. I don't want that mistake to happen again, but let's try it. It is pretty good. You know, blue raspberry soda hits the spot really good. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Showed you guys how to make blue raspberry soda with that one, you know, technique though, with a little bit of water and, you know, mixing the flavor mixture in the water. But yeah, if you guys try this, you know, hopefully you guys enjoy it. You know, I'm definitely enjoying the soda. It's like finding that one rare item in the game that you've been searching for so long, and now you finally have it. It was. Oh, it's beautiful. Anyways, you know, that's pretty much the end of the video. You know, take care, everyone, and hopefully you guys enjoy this soda mixture when you guys get a chance.